believe that we need to be industry leaders in things like prefab to be able to be a differentiator in our marketplace, and prefab is a way to do that. It's something that we're very passionate about.
So here we are doing a large construction project right in the heart of campus. We've really outgrown our space here in the Jardine Business Building. It was important to get this done as quickly and efficiently as possible, and use of prefabricated panels. When I heard that that was something that was on the table, I was really excited. That's the kind of partnership that really enabled us to get this project done fast.
So in here it's a controlled environment. We don't have to worry about rain days. We don't have to worry about anything that has to do with the weather. When we do the prefab, we're going to order all of our material to the size we need it. Instead of cutting every piece, we're going to order to the size we need it, so all they have to do is pick it and bring it in, and that's it.
In that controlled environment, we're not up on lifts, we're not on scaffold, we're not exposed to those everyday construction safety hazards that you would have.
Speed was critical to our ability to compete for that project. And so we wanted to build a team that had prefabrication abilities really at every step of the way. We thought Heartland would be a great partner to help us innovate that way, because I know that's how they're wired and that's what they wanted to do.
It has to be pre-award. It has to be something that is planned out, and it has to be collaborative. The design community needs to be part of it. The general contractor or the construction manager, the other players.
We had 70% of what we called the committed partners, 70% of the construction costs kind of accounted for and on the team during the design phase. Having all those partners on board early really helped kind of hone in and right-size the project to hit the budget number.
We've just impacted schedule, we've impacted quality, and by doing those two things, we've impacted costs as well. Quality project, on time, on budget, is the mantra of every owner I've ever known. And so putting that together on a project like the Jardine project is critical to being successful.
These are finished panels, ready to ship and swing up the crane.
Probably one of the major challenges we identified early is how to approach the site. First thing being student safety with high traffic areas all around the site.
The other factor on this site is it is very space constrained.
Instead of material on site for a 6-week duration being built on site, moved around, put up in place, we got rid of that, and material would come on, be on site for a day before it was installed.
The panels are going to be airtight from the shop, so there's a lot less joints that you have to finish in the field, at least with this type of assembly. And it goes up faster too, which means that the inside of the building's not exposed to weather as long.
And instead of a 6-week duration, we had an 8 to 10 day duration to get everything up and in place. So that was huge for us.
Getting to that place where we were enclosed largely before the dead of winter set in was key, and so prefab was really the strategy to make that happen.
You know the back of that stuff?
If willingness and opportunity to innovate really matters, pick your team based on that and have faith that they will deliver great value and challenge them to deliver great value.
We're thrilled about this whole process. It's been great working with our partners on the construction team, and we're really excited to have this done and have classes here.
I would say that Heartland is a really progressive company. We're always looking for that next thing that can really, spice up the job and make it go faster, especially like this. This is something huge right here.
Absolutely is the wave of the future for us. It's one of our largest initiatives for Heartland is to be able to utilize it. We look at it as something that is a differentiator for us in the marketplace because quite frankly in the Midwest we haven't had to, or no one has really taken the bull by the horns and done it, and so we look at it as a competitive advantage for us as well.